In this video, I want to talk about this Ryobi or Ryobi pole saw. This is 9.5 foot long. I've had this one for about 3 years or so, and it's been awesome. So I wanted to share it with you. So this is a P4360, and a couple of the features. Well, first of all, this is where you put the bar and chain oil right here, because you're going to want to use that while you're cutting. And it comes with a nice cover right here, an 8-inch bar. This chain might be a little dull, but it is still cutting fine. You also have this right here. It's like a hook. So if you cut something and it gets caught up on another branch, you can hook it or you can push it off. And other than that, it's really simple. You can also take it apart. So I'll show you how. Just unscrew this, and then it just pulls out right here, just like that. It has contacts right here, and you line it up like this to reinstall it. And the reason you would do this is if you just want a smaller pole saw, you can put this section with the battery section, or if you wanted to store it. It also has a strap that you can hook up right here if you want to. I really don't use it because I only cut a couple branches at a time. This is 18 volt. It takes a standard Ryobi 18 volt battery. And there's a safety right here, trigger right here. And that's basically it. So let's see it in action. I got some low-hanging branches here that I want to take care of. Like I said, my chain's a little dull because I've used this for 2 or 3 years and haven't even sharpened it and haven't had to, but still works good. Now I gotta clean this stuff up. Better put my gloves back on. Hope this video helps.